If you've ever wanted to make it super easy for your website visitors to contact you, either with just a single tap to call your phone number, or by opening up their email right to your inbox, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add clickable phone numbers and email addresses in WordPress, making your site more professional and much friendlier for your users. Let's dive straight in and start with how to create a clickable phone number link. Imagine someone is browsing your site on their phone. They might see your number, but they'll have to fumble around copying and pasting it into their dialer. Instead, with a clickable link, they can call you instantly. Here, how you do it. First, find the text or button you want to turn into your phone link, for example, call us now, or maybe your business number itself. Highlight that text, then look for the link icon up in your editor's toolbar. It usually looks like a tiny chain or a paperclip, and you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on a Mac. Clicking this brings up the URL field. Now this is really important. You want to type tel followed directly by your complete phone number. Don't include any spaces, dashes, or parentheses, just the plus sign, your country code, and digits all together. For example, tel plus 15,550,123,456. This special tel tells browsers, or smartphones especially, that this isn't a regular web page but actually a command to start dialing a number. So instead of just displaying your number, you're making it actionable, one click, and the user's phone is already calling you. Don't worry if the number looks a bit unusual without spaces or hyphens. That's exactly how browsers and phones like it. When you're done, just hit enter and your link is set. If you want, give it a quick test from your phone to see how it pops up your dialer immediately. That's your reward for attention to detail. Next up, let's make your email address clickable. It works in much the same way, but with just a slight twist. Highlight the email address you want to be clickable, like email us or your full address. Again, click on that link icon. In the URL field this time, type Mailto, followed by your email address, for example, mailto.info@example.com. This little Mailto part is what signals browsers. Instead of jumping to a web page, open the visitor's default email program, like Outlook, Gmail, or whatever they use, with your address already plugged into the to field. That way, no one has to memorize or copy your email. They just click and they're ready to write. Once you've typed that in, press enter. If you like, you can try all this out in a different browser tab. It should open up a new message window, saving your visitors a ton of hassle, and that's it. It's really that simple. In just a few steps, you've transformed ordinary contact info into powerful, interactive tools that help anyone reach out to you in seconds. This can make a real difference, especially for businesses, customer support, or even blogs where you want more engagement. If a step felt a little tricky or you're seeing something different in your WordPress editor, don't hesitate to pause and experiment. Every theme is a bit unique, but the basic idea stays the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps me out. Got a question or want to walk through for a different WordPress tweak? Drop your questions in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. And if you're after more straightforward guides for leveling up your website, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.